You think the air inside your home is safe? Think again. The same cozy space you relax in could be filled with invisible toxins, silently poisoning every breath you take. But what if the cure to this hidden danger was right in front of you? Beautiful, resilient, and quietly alive succulents. These aren't just decorations, they're nature's secret agents, fighting pollution in silence. We all know aloe vera as the plant that soothes sunburns, but its real power lies in the air you breathe. This green healer filters harmful toxins from paints, carpets, and household cleaners. But here's the twist. If you notice its leaf tips turning brown, it's not just thirsty, it's warning you. The air around you is dangerously polluted. Elegant and unassuming, the jade plant thrives where danger often hides, your kitchen. It absorbs chemical residues from cleaning sprays and cooking fumes, quietly restoring balance. While you cook, clean, and live your daily life, this plant stands guard, converting harmful air into pure, refreshing oxygen. When the world sleeps, the snake plant wakes. While most plants rest at night, this loyal guardian continues working, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Place it by your bed and it becomes your silent protector, a 24-hour oxygen factory fighting off toxins even as you dream. Soft, symmetrical, and peaceful, Echeveria may look like pure decoration, but it's quietly doing more than you think. This little rosette purifies the air and boosts oxygen levels, while its calming energy helps reduce anxiety. It doesn't just beautify your home, it restores your atmosphere and your mind. Striped and striking, the zebra plant is more than a showpiece, it's a toxin trap. It captures harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene, transforming your home into a safe zone. Perfect for bedrooms or offices, it thrives in moderate light, silently scrubbing your air where you need it most. The delicate, trailing burro's tail isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a quiet healer. This succulent reduces indoor pollution and helps calm your mind with its soothing presence. Each strand seems to absorb not just airborne toxins, but also the invisible weight of daily stress. And then comes Kalanchoe, bright, cheerful, and deceptively beautiful. Behind its vibrant blooms hide a powerful air purifier that filters out carbon dioxide and formaldehyde. It's like a burst of sunshine in your home, disguising its true role as a relentless defender of your air. So, are these just plants or nature's secret guardians watching over you? Every leaf, every breath, every quiet night, they're working to keep you safe. If you believe nature holds the answers we've forgotten, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep uncovering more of its hidden secrets together.